content. Why can't you create content? Is that what you have to say about your friend?
Yes.
Hi guys, how are you all doing? I hope you're in the best of health. I hope you're drinking water and minding your business. Ambulance.
Davis. back of the chick wanna twerk on the nigga when they got it came on. Tell her break it up, now break it up, break it up. Told my brothers time to round them up. If they leaving with us, gon' load them up. Cause at my crib we getting lit for. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I know things don't always feel right, but get up and lit for tonight. I got lean up in my cup and I done mixed it with the Sprite. I got papers to roll up, man, I'm lit for tonight. Got my in the cup, my chick, she wanna fuss and fight. I ain't with that shit tonight, cause I'm getting lit for tonight. I got lean up in my cup and I done mixed it with the Sprite. I got papers to roll up, man, I'm getting lit for tonight. Yeah, I know things don't always feel right, but get up and lit for tonight. I got lean up in my cup and I done mixed it with the Sprite. I got papers to roll up, man, I'm getting lit for tonight. Got my in the cup, my chick, she wanna fuss and fight. I ain't with that shit tonight, cause I'm getting litty for tonight. I got lean up in my cup and I done mixed it with the Sprite. I got papers to roll up, man, I'm getting litty for tonight. Yeah.
Hi guys, how are you all doing? I hope you're in the best of health. I hope you're drinking water and minding your business. If you're new to the channel, my name is Enii. It's nice to meet you. I'm a medical doctor here in Lagos, Nigeria, and I'm just sharing my journey with you, alright? I feel like this is the first time I'm actually speaking to you guys properly, so a brief rundown of what has been going on. Doctors have been on strike for a few weeks now, you know, and what that has meant is a lot of patients have been suffering, you know, people present, and most of the times maybe the doctors they're looking for are not available to, you know, come in and give care at that point in time. Now during this period, house officers, and if you're new to the channel, yes, I am a house officer, and this means I'm a medical intern in Nigeria. Okay, house officers have been working. Okay, so we still go to work. Anyways, at my facility, we're still going to work. We're still seeing patients, seeing emergencies, handling them, referring after, you know, stabilizing, because if we admit, there'll be nobody to see. So we're only admitting critical cases. My unit, Paediatrics, they didn't strike. Some of the medical officers, you know, went on strike. So depending on your level, you might be allowed a strike or not. If you are director level, you do not go on a strike. If you're less than that, I'm not sure of how they grade it, but some medical officers and all of the residents went on strike, and it was a national strike, National Association of Resident Doctors strike. So now that we are done with the strike, my call was yesterday. It was okay. I saw a few patients, stabilized some, referred a lot. Sad, but it is what it is. So while my call was winding down yesterday, they cancelled the strike, or they called the strike off. So now doctors are no longer on strike, and that means we are going to go back to back vlogging. So help me God, because this Paediatrics has just been a bundle of craze. Okay, so yes, strike is off. You know, work has started properly again, and it's crazy that work is starting on a Saturday, but it is what it is. A lot of people have been on the receiving end of this, doctors included. Okay, so it's not going to be because doctors are not working, doctors are not affected. Doctors are included. It has affected some parts of some doctors' training. It has affected how even doctors get care themselves. So, you know, and it has put the other doctors that have to come to work in an extremely overworked situation. So we're already understaffed, and then you're taking away doctors for less number of doctors to work. But I don't know, I have mixed feelings about this strike being called off. I'm not even going to lie. Another thing, so I got my fridge. I just keep looking at it. I've showed this to you guys already. I got my fridge today. I am so grateful that that has happened. I'm just going to watch a series. I was watching King the Land, so I'm just going to watch some of that, edit and rest.
Is that what you have to say about your friend?
Yes.
So maybe people that think I don't want to buy gift card.
Yes! Why are you running away?
I hope I look handsome in that video.
Hi, Dr. Paediatrics.
I hope I look handsome.
No, no. Are you shy?
Yeah. Oh my God.
Oh yeah.
Thank you. Welcome to our channel. Like, subscribe, and follow on Instagram at Paul.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, what are you saying?
I said I can't create content.
Why can't you create content?
Because you don't want to listen to me.
See, my people, this babe just gave me 3 patient stats. Yes, didn't you? We've had
have no hand in it.
We've had 1 cesarean section. We've had 2 spontaneous vetted deliveries. God, please.
I wasn't the one that impregnated them.
It wasn't me. We should find where the light.
Look at us.
But this light is still not working. The light is so much better. Oh.
It's already bad though.
Whoa.
But she do sharp. Now wow. You can bring your torchlight. I'm joking.
What's the light going to do? What is your light going to do? So now we found where we've been able to tweak the settings more. So everybody meet Nostolu, the one that is stressing me out.
Of course not. I can't do that to you.
That's what you say. See, she's open for
What?
content creation opportunity. She's a TikToker. Open your mouth now. Let me see you. She's a TikToker. She has about 1.5 million.
What? Really? Amen.
Outside.
What is outside?
Doing outside.
Why you coming here, please?
Those restaurants buffet. Different types, different cuisine.
As now my eye is see road. Let me start. This one is YouTube. Nigeria. They should bring this lights back. They should bring this lights back. Anyways, my people, it's already 8 p.m. or almost 8 p.m. I think I'll check the time, but I'm trying to wrap up a few things. I have a line to set and then some shares